McAllen and surrounding areas are growing fast, and new communities are popping up everywhere. If you've been thinking about upgrading your home or making a smart move, this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Hey everyone, it's Bry Tallis, your McAllen realtor, and today we're exploring Alberta Heights, a brand new subdivision in Edinburg, brought to you by the Hakes Brothers. We're touring two beautiful homes, the Durant and the Althia. And trust me, you're going to want to see what makes these two floor plans so special. Call or text me at 956-300-4343 for more details and to schedule a private tour. Edinburg is booming, and Alberta Heights is right in the mix. This subdivision offers modern homes, convenient access to major roads, and it's just minutes from shopping, schools, and parks. Let's start with the Durant. This home features a spacious open layout, a beautiful kitchen with upgraded finishes, and the kind of natural light every homeowner dreams of. You'll notice right away the attention to detail from the layout to the high ceilings. This home feels both cozy and expansive. This home can be built in 3 styles. You can get the Tuscan style, the Spanish, which is this one, and the farmhouse style. And you can select the exterior paint color. You do have a lot of options and they don't have to look cookie cutter. All right, let's go have a look at this home. This home gives you 1,675 square feet of living space, and it's got a really nice split floor plan. And right up front, you've got 2 bedrooms, both with good natural light and a full bath in between. It's a great setup for guests, kids, or even a home office if you need it. Now, let's head down the hall, and over to the left is your laundry room, and right past that is your garage entrance. Super convenient for unloading groceries or hopping in and out without having to walk across the whole house. Then it all opens up into the great room, which combines your living, dining, and kitchen areas all in one big open space. It's bright, airy, and you've got plenty of room to entertain or just hang out with the family. The kitchen is where you can really get creative. There's the option to customize everything from countertops to cabinets and finishes. So if you want that modern luxury look, you can definitely build it your way. And tucked away in the back left corner of the house is the primary suite. It's got a nice sense of privacy, a spacious layout, and a bathroom that you can also upgrade. But you'll get the dual vanities and all that good stuff. These homes no longer come with this shower. It'll be a more modern shower like you'll see in the Althia. And of course, you'll have this big walk-in closet with the built-ins already in there. So that's all beautiful. Let's go check out the Althia. This one's perfect for growing families or anyone who loves to entertain. The flow between the kitchen, dining, and living areas is seamless, and the primary suite is a total retreat. The Althia really gives you that wow factor. If you're into thoughtful design and comfort, this one might just be your favorite. It's everyone's favorite. This one's done in that farmhouse style, and it's absolutely loaded with upgrades. This home is 2,118 square feet and has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Right when you walk in, you've got 2 bedrooms up front with a full bathroom right in between. And these bedrooms are quite spacious and have a lot of natural light. Just past that is this peaceful study or 4th bedroom or your home gym. But either way, it's got that quiet vibe. Now across from there, you'll find a half bath and the laundry room, and also the entrance to the garage. Everything's laid out perfectly here. Let's go take a look at this great room, which is one of my favorite parts of this home. You've got your gourmet kitchen, your living room, and your dining area all in one open space, which makes it perfect for entertaining or just day-to-day living. The kitchen features quartz countertops, elegant cabinetry, and check this out. Right now, the microwave and oven are being upgraded to LG appliances. So those open spots you see in the cabinets are just waiting to be filled with brand new, sleek appliances. Off of the living area, you've got this 3-panel stacking sliding door that opens up to the covered patio. The indoor-outdoor flow here is amazing. It's perfect for barbecues, morning coffee, or just relaxing outside in the evenings. We've also got a fireplace tucked into the living area for a cozy feel, especially in those cooler months. The primary suite is tucked away in the back right corner of this home. As soon as you step in, you'll notice the French door leading into the master bath, which is just gorgeous. You've got dual vanities, a walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head, and a layout that feels like a retreat. And right off that, there's a huge walk-in closet with built-ins and tons of space for storage and organization. And of course, your master bedroom is very large with a lot of natural light from 2 large windows. Overall, the Althia is one of those homes that just has it all: style, comfort, and smart design. Everyone falls in love with this home. Alberta Heights is more than just new homes. It's a new beginning for buyers looking for style, space, and smart value in Edinburg. Call or text me at 956-300-4343 if you want a private tour or more info on Alberta Heights and other Hakes Brothers homes. If you enjoyed this sneak peek, hit the like button and subscribe for more RGV real estate updates. Drop a comment. Would you pick the Durant or the Althia? I'd love to know your style. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Edinburg and RGV area real estate content.